In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your design to Google Class in Canva. Start by opening the Canva project you want to share. Make sure the design you're looking at is the one you plan to post, and remember, you can always update the design later if you need to tweak something. Once your project is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is your hub for exporting, inviting collaborators, and in this case, sending your work to Google Classroom. In the Share menu, find and select the Google Classroom option. If you don't see it immediately, it may be under More Options or accessible via a search field in the menu. Click Google Classroom, and if you haven't connected your account yet, Canva will prompt you to sign in. Follow the prompts to link your Google account and grant permissions. It's a one-time setup, and a quick tip here. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple schools or classes. After you're connected, you'll be asked to choose a classroom. Pick the class where you want this design to appear. Next, you'll choose a Share action. This tells Google Classroom how to use your design. Options typically include creating an assignment, asking a question, making an announcement, or creating material. Assignments are great when you expect students to submit work back. Announcements are perfect for sharing resources without requiring a response. Material is ideal for reference items like posters, slides, or templates. Once you've chosen the action that fits your purpose, click Go. You'll now see a screen where you can add a title and a description or instructions for your students. Be clear and concise with your title so it's easy to find later. In the description, include any important details such as what students should do with the design, how they should submit their work if applicable, or any helpful links. Depending on the action you chose, you'll also see additional settings. These may include due dates, points, which students to assign it to, the topic, and scheduling options. Set these according to your needs. When everything looks good, hit the button at the top right to confirm. This might say Assign, Post, or Create, depending on the action. Canva will send your design to the selected Google Classroom, and you're done. For peace of mind, you can pop into Google Classroom afterward to preview the post and ensure everything appears as expected. That's all it takes to share a Canva design to your class quickly and professionally.